Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is Professor David J. Delos Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight is how to install a regulated DC power supply for my portable FM radio, because I want to eliminate the usage of battery. The voltage requirement of this portable FM radio is actually 3 volts. So what I did is that I bring out an adapter here, an adapter in which the output voltage here is 12 volts to power up this portable radio. But to use this 12 volts here, it is too high for it to be injected on the portable radio. Since the needed voltage of the portable radio is actually 3 volts, I must have to use a voltage regulator in which the voltage will be near 3 volts. And the nearest voltage regulator output voltage is actually 3.3. So actually here, I got here a 3.3 volts voltage regulator. So for this 3.3 voltage regulator to function as a power source of this portable radio, okay, I must have to inject 12 volts on its primary, on the input leg and ground. So the voltage that will be coming out from its output terminal, it will be line number 1, will be 3.3. And that 3.3 is very near 3 volts. It will not overload the radio because 3 and 3.3 is almost the same. Okay, so if we try to use this adapter here to inject voltage on the regulator, the output voltage of the regulator now will be 3.3, and that 3.3 will be the one that will be inputted to the terminals going to the portable radio, the one where the plus and minus terminal of the battery actually emanates. And this is actually the terminals. The red terminal and the black terminal. This red terminal here goes to the positive terminal of the portable radio, and this black terminal here goes to the negative terminal of the radio. This red terminal actually is the voltage output of this 3.3 voltage regulator. Okay? And as an additional thing, I added a small resistor here that will act as a fuse. So just in case there's a short circuit on the radio, okay, there will be a current that will circulate, and to stop that circulating current, which is a short circuit current, if there is a short circuit on the radio, it will be not so big for this small radio, but it's a current that will heat up the wiring maybe. So to avoid the heating up of the wiring of this adapter here, we put this resistor here. As an additional thing, between the plus and minus that goes to the input voltage of the portable radio, I place a small capacitor here to filter out noise coming from the adapter, because this is a 60 hertz adapter. Of course, there is a power line noise, and to eliminate that noise, we use a capacitor here. We do that one in electronics. We connect the capacitor between the plus and minus So instead of that noise going to the radio, it will be diverted back to the negative ground or to the ground. The other thing that I installed here is actually an LED indicator here. This LED indicator is actually same as the terminal where this capacitor actually is installed. The significance of this LED here is that if I will try to power up the adapter, this LED will be lighted up, indicating that the power to the portable radio is actually good. So what I will do also is that I will try to put the terminal of the, what do you call this, multi-tester here. We will be measuring the input voltage going to the portable radio. So I have here a multi-tester, then I will set this one to voltage DC. Okay, the multi-tester now is now on and it is set on voltage DC. So, because I would like to show you how big may be the output voltage of this 3.3 voltage regulator, if it is really 3.3, because we would like to determine it. Okay, so I will plug in this adapter here. This radio here is set now to a certain frequency. So when we try to plug in this one, of course, the sound will come out. It could either be music or some advertisement. Okay. So I will try to plug in this adapter now. Okay. As soon as I switch on the switch here, powering up the adapter, this radio will sound. It could either be music or some advertisement. And we could see the voltage that will be coming out. The voltage that will be coming out. Okay, so I will now try to power up the adapter. The voltage is 3.2 and the radio works. Okay, as you can see it, when I power up the adapter, the radio sounds without any interference. And we can see that the input voltage going to the portable radio is actually near 3.3. Okay, one more time. 3.2 and this LED is lighted. Okay? That's it, guys. That's how I installed the voltage regulator needed for my portable radio to avoid using a battery. So from now on, if I will try to use this portable radio, I will just plug in this one. Like we have seen here, the input voltage going to the portable radio is 3.2. It's almost 3. That's good enough. Okay? Because there is no voltage regulator that's a 3.3, not unless we will be using the variable DC power supply. But in here, I installed a dedicated voltage regulator for it. It's a 3.3, it's very near 3, and it will not damage the radio. Okay? That's how I installed the 3.3 voltage regulator for my portable radio using an adapter, and checking it by using a DC voltmeter and testing it. Okay, one more time. Voltage 3.2, the radio is working, this is lighted up. Good evening from Los Angeles.